Hey guys, my name is Josh and welcome back to the workshop. Today I want to talk about a new channel that I just started, cunningly titled Josh's Workshop. I've been talking about doing this for a long time, kind of creating a sub-channel to the SharpshooterJD channel, focusing completely on the shop stuff, on the behind-the-scenes shop projects, on tool reviews and unboxings, tool setups, all of that stuff. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it at this point, but I just put up a channel trailer over there. I have one or two videos that have already been posted on the channel, so please check it out. I'd really appreciate it. It's very hard to make videos, to spend all this time making videos for a channel that doesn't have any subscribers and that is not getting any views. So I'm just begging you guys, please go check it out, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Otherwise I'm just not sure if I'm going to be able to do this. It's so hard spending 5 to 10 hours on a video to have it not be seen. It's incredibly frustrating, and especially because of the quality of the videos that I've been putting out with this new camera, the Panasonic G7. It is a lot of work and the videos are looking absolutely great, so I just really want people to see these, and so I'm asking you today, please go check it out. I really think you'll like what you see, and I really think it'll help you out. I just finished filming a couple of tool reviews. I'm going to be doing some tool reviews on these new angle grinders that I bought, two different ones from Harbor Freight, a 4.5 inch and a 7 inch. And I just posted a Harbor Freight fan review up on there, this one right back here. It's absolutely great, love it. And in the future I'll be doing videos on my new oxyacetylene kit, which you can see back over there, that I put together and had to troubleshoot, and it was a lot of work, and now it works and it's a really cool story. So I'll be doing a series of videos on that. I'll probably be doing a video on building this workbench at some point to replace that one. And yeah, just all kinds of behind the scenes stuff. It's gonna be really cool. My apologies, I'm looking at my screen over here. I need to make sure I'm looking at the lens. I keep forgetting. You can see I have a little studio back here. Yeah, there you go, you can see that. That I'm building. I'm gonna maybe put it over here. Haven't decided yet, but I got a new LED light, and I have my mic that's boomed over my head, and this cool white table that I'm doing my product reviews and unboxings and stuff on at the moment. So it's looking way more professional than it has in the past, and I'm just pumping out really good content for you guys. Even if it's not on this channel, I'm constantly making content, so I just want to let you guys know of this new channel. I will be making videos to put up over there, so if I'm not posting as much on this channel, it's probably because I'm posting over there or posting on my Instagram pages or on Facebook or something else. I'm constantly creating content, but I just kind of am diversified across a bunch of different platforms and a bunch of different channels because I have such diverse interests. So I'll have links to all of my channels and all of my Instagram pages and everything that I do down below if you guys want to check it out and stay updated on all of the stuff I'm doing. I really want to start a channel on the photography and the videography stuff and the behind the scenes of like editing and filming and all of that junk. If you guys are interested in that, I'm super passionate about that right now. I just got into photography and I've been obviously doing videography for about 4 years now. So if that's something you guys are interested in, please let me know. I really want to do that, but of course it's just another channel and more work for me. But I'm really excited about that concept, so I want to do that. Struggling with a name though, so if you guys have any ideas for names, please leave them down below. And yeah, I think maybe that was all I wanted to say. Oh, so I started another channel as well called Josh's Blacksmith Shop, which I'm debating kind of making the official channel for my metalworking stuff, but I'm not sure if I want to take that step yet, so I think I might just keep the metalworking on this channel for now. Again, let me know what you guys think about that down below. I feel like the metalworking fits better on this channel than the tool reviews. I feel like that just needs its own space, so that's kind of what I'm thinking at the moment. Yeah, so there's an update on kind of what's going on. I'll have a new video for you guys in a couple of weeks. I have an archery trick shot video I want to film as soon as it stops raining outside. It's been very stormy lately. and I have some Slingshot collection videos that I'm going to film very soon. I'm really excited about that, so I'm going to show you guys and go over my Slingshot collection. I have about 20 or 30 Slingshots. That's going to be super fun. And then lots more planned after that, some builds and unveilings and stuff like that. So it's going to be super cool. If you guys are not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like or a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about any and all of the stuff I talked about today in this video. Make sure you check out the links in the description down below. And yeah, leave your feedback down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know how you're liking this new video setup with the Panasonic G7. And yeah, good talking to you guys. I will see you in a few weeks with a new video. Take care.